Hello everyone, it is Jennifer from Tarle Speech, and I have a viewer question today. 2 words, travel, which means to go from one place to another, and trouble, a difficult problem. Both of these words start with that TR combination, tr, tr, tr. I recommend for this, think about being ready for that R sound. So that means square, tense lips, and the back of your tongue is pulled up. You are going to touch the tip of the tongue to that spot where your teeth meet the skin on the roof of your mouth for that T, and then either pull the tip of the tongue down or flip it back, whichever way you make your R. Tr, tr, tr. For then you're going to open your mouth really wide for that sound, tra. For trouble, you're just going to relax your mouth for that short sound, tra, tra, tra. I think the part that people really have a hard time with is that B versus V sound, which is in syllable number 2. This is a very common mistake for almost all of my students from all different language backgrounds. For the V sound, your lips are open. I say that you are gently biting the inside or the outside of the bottom lip, but the key is there must be space so that the air can keep moving out. For the B, the difference is that your lips just come together and open. Ba, ba, ba. So again, we have for the V in travel and ba for the B in trouble. These words both end with an O, and that's just an open mouth, and then touch the tip of the tongue to the back of the top front teeth for that L and hold it. Oh, make sure you hold it a little longer than you think you need to so that it sounds correct. Let's put this all together. We have travel, 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 and trouble, 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 trouble. Travel, trouble, travel, trouble. And now for a sentence. Travel has been a lot of trouble lately. Give it a try. I know people are going to notice the difference. Please share us with your friends. Check out our link tree in the description below for all of our classes, podcasts, and products. Thanks so much, everyone.